In this video, you will learn how to send emails to MemberPress members in WordPress. All right, so we're on our WordPress dashboard and we already have MemberPress installed and active. And here you'll see that we already have one membership, which we can use as an example. Also, I already have some members here, and I'm going to show you how you can send emails to yours. So to begin, we'll hover over Mail option on the left and go to Emails. And once we're in Emails, we can click on Add New to add a new email campaign. Next, I'm going to choose Broadcast. And right now we'll need to add a subject. So I'm just going to call mine Test Broadcast, and I'll use the Lucid template. Now here we have an email builder. In the Settings tab, we have the email subject field. We can also add preview text. And under recipient right below this, we'll need to select a connection. Now this is where we'll select MemberPress from this list. It's all the way at the bottom. And right away, we'll see some additional options. You can choose to restrict to active memberships, restrict to inactive or expired memberships, or selected members. As an example, under active memberships, we'll use the regular membership that we saw earlier. But it's also possible to use multiple memberships. You can then go ahead and customize the body of your email. Here we can change the colors and add custom CSS. Going back, we have an option here to customize the header. These are our general options. If we click on the Style tab, we'll see the styling options. Moving on to the most important tab, which is Content. This is where we can add our email content. So you can either type or paste text that you have already prepared. If you want to add images or other media, just go back, click on Add Element, and select exactly what you want to add. Now in the footer section, you can go ahead and customize your footer text. You can also customize the colors and font options in the Style tab. If you want to, you can also go ahead and send a test email. Just add your email and hit Send. Once you're done, you can go ahead and save your changes and then click on Send Broadcast. So this email will be sent to members of the regular membership. Now we can go ahead and take a look at a different email campaign. We'll add a new email automation campaign and we'll name this one Weekly Digest. The type is going to be Posts Email Digest. And once again, we'll use the Lucid template. That will take us to the email builder, and here we can see a number of different posts contained in one email. To customize this, you can head on over to Settings. The automation title right now is Weekly Digest, but you can change that. You can also change your subject. You can add preview text, and then you can change the maximum number of posts. The content type right now is post content, but that could be post excerpt as well. It's really up to you. The content length can also be changed. Right now it's set to 60. The post type is WordPress posts. And then we have options to restrict to formats, categories, post tags, and authors, and so on. Now under recipient, we'll select MemberPress as the connection. And you'll see additional restriction options where you can choose to restrict to active memberships. For example, we can select our regular membership and you can configure additional restrictions if you'd like. But we'll move on to schedule. And as an example, we can have this be sent out every week on a Tuesday at, let's say, about 6 p.m. Okay, now in addition to that, we can go back and customize our body and our header if you'd like. We have options for our content. These are the general options. Here we have our styling options to customize our colors and font details. Now back in general, there are two content areas. This is the before main content area, and I'll add some sample text here. It says example. If we take a look at the top, we'll see it. There's also an after main content area, and then we have additional options and toggles to customize the content. If we go back, we can open the footer tab, and here we can customize the footer text. In the style tab, you can customize your colors and font. And once again, you can choose to send a test email if you so desire. And once you're done with all of this, be sure to save your changes and then turn the opt-in on by toggling the switch on the left-hand side. So basically, this email digest will now be sent to members of your regular plan every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Okay, so I hope this helps. Thanks for watching and see you next time.